Here's how to insert a picture in a PDF. First of all, open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat and then go to your File Explorer and go to the folder which folder contains the picture. Open the picture. Now click on your computer search box and type here snipping tool. Open the snipping tool and select new, and here you have to take a screenshot, and here click on save. We have to copy this image, so click on copy. Once you successfully copied, now go back to your PDF in Acrobat, click on edit. We have to go to tools and here click on stamp. Here click on stamp, click on paste clipboard image as a stamp tool, and now click on the location where you want to add the image and click on the image, and now you can resize the image. You can also reposition the image just like this. So this is the easiest way to add an image in a PDF. After that, don't forget to click on File and Save to save your PDF.